Even native speakers do this.
And by the way, Y-O-U''RE means you are. Y-O-U-R means you're.
Okay, so let me explain to you. Hi everyone, my name is Marwa, aka Miss English Teacher. Welcome to the EFA channel. Here, you are going to find everything you need to learn English. Now, today's topic is not only very interesting, but also very important. We are going to talk about the most common mistakes English learners make. Before we start, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can get our latest videos. I have a question for you. Do you have a friend who always makes the same mistake in English? If yes, then comment below, what is this mistake? Maybe I can help with that. Let's start with the first most common mistake. Which one is correct? Me and my friends are going out. My friends and I are going out. It's the second one. Let me explain to you a little bit more. Do you usually say, I like it, or
Me likey.
Yes, you say I like it and not me likey. We use me at the end usually. For example, give this to me or come with me. We don't say me come or me go. That sounds a bit like, I don't know, interesting. So if we add another person in the beginning of the sentence, we shouldn't change the I to me, okay? So make sure you always say my friends and I, my sister and I. One more common mistake is mixing up make and do. I personally find this a little bit logical because if you translate make and do into your native language, they are probably the same word. But in English, we use make with certain words and do with others. For example, we say do your homework, do the housework, do the laundry. And we say make a mistake, make friends, make peace, make money. If you need more examples, please check out this slide here. And if you need more practice, make sure to go to the application and learn there how to use make and do. The best way would be to learn them by heart and practice, practice, practice. Another common mistake I hear a lot is the following. People is or the police is. I know there is no S, so we think it's not plural, but these are actually plural nouns. So we say people are and the police are here. Another difficult topic is prepositions. Don't worry though, all you need to do is learn these by heart. Now let's see and let's challenge you. Preposition challenge. Let's start. This shirt is made wool. Good. Made of. Janet is married Mark. 2. If you said with, 2. Burj Al Khalifa is said to be the tallest building the world. In the world. I usually wake up night. At night. I'm sure you did a fantastic job. Let me give you some more examples of common preposition mistakes. For example, we don't say go to home, but we say go home. We also don't say she goes to work by foot, but we say on foot. I know it's by train, by plane, but we say on foot. Also, we do not say, I prefer coffee than tea, but we say, I prefer coffee to tea. One more. We do not say, I've never been in Japan, but we say, I've never been to Japan. Do you have any other examples that I missed? Please write them in the comment section. There are also some common mistakes that can be seen mostly when you write. Again, I am going to start with one that is most common. Even native speakers do this. Yes. I don't know if you know French, but let's watch this.
And by the way, Y-O-U''re means you are. Y-O-U-R means you're.
Okay, so let me explain to you. Now, you are and your are kind of phonetically the same when you say you're happy and your book. But written, it's pretty different. The first one is U''re, and then it is you are. The second one is your, no apostrophe, nothing, your book, your friend, possession. So when you are writing, make sure not to mistake these two. Another one is it's versus its. Let's watch this and learn a little bit more about it. This is a toy. It's a toy. This is the toy of my dog. This is its toy. Okay, so next time you write, make sure not to mix up your and your or it's and its. Another common mistake when you're writing, especially formal emails, is the following. Most people write, I am looking forward to hear from you. It makes sense because after to, I need another verb without ing. But not in this case. We say, I'm looking forward to hearing from you. And this means, please answer me. The next most common mistake is actually a little bit more general, and you need to study a little bit more for it. Now, let's read the following two sentences together. First one, let's eat grandma. The second one, let's eat grandma. You got it? And the first one, you are probably going to eat your grandmother. In the second one, you're inviting your grandma to start eating. You see the difference? So, yes, commas, punctuation actually do matter. My advice to you will be when you learn a new grammatical structure to learn the punctuation with it. This will be very useful for you when it comes to writing. I am pretty sure you will never make these mistakes again. Even better, you will start correcting your friends. In my next video, you will learn 10 animal-related idioms. Now, these are very common and pretty fun to use. Thank you very much for watching. Take care until then and stay tuned.